Today we're going to make mango chutney. We make this mango chutney around about Christmas time because that's when mangoes are ripe in our area. This is a recipe that's been passed down through the families. Okay, we're about 3 hours in. You see the color is starting to brown up, and we've probably got another hour or so's cooking. In here we're boiling the lids, and the bottles are in the oven being sterilized. That's perfect, and we're now going to bottle. These have come out of the oven, and these have come off the stove, so that they're nice and hygienic. And that's the first bottle done. So here's the result. 18 bottles of chutney. These are 500 milliliter bottles. So we've got 9 kilograms of chutney. And of course, the bit for the chef.